Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer any data or photos or any information from your phone to a USB driver. This one is right here is also a card reader, but you can use any USB driver which has the required ports. So this one has a USB-C port which we will use here, but you can use any ports for your phone. It also has a USB-A port which we will use to connect it to a laptop, and it's very tricky. It also has a micro USB port if you switch it like this. It's very interesting, very cool. Yeah, so let's see how you set up your connection. So here we are on the phone. I will connect right now the USB stick like this. Then it should appear here. Yeah, it's connected. It's preparing your device, and here you can open it like this, and here are all the data that's on your USB stick, which is very cool. You can copy to your phone anything, but if you want to copy something from your phone to the USB, then you just go to your files, and from here you can choose any document, anything, and just copy or move it to the USB driver like this. Paste, and it's on the USB driver. It's very easy and very comfortable to copy data or photos or videos from your phone to your USB, or to put it on your laptop or anything if you don't have internet connection to use a cloud service or anything like that. Or it can also be helpful to copy photos from your main camera to your phone by using this card reader, and with the same method. So I hope this helps. Please subscribe if you found this video helpful, and yeah, see you in the next video. Go and copy some images. Bye.